Hello and welcome back to Smart Finance with Yemi Oseni. Today, we're diving into something deeper than just numbers, the psychology of money. Why do some people keep building wealth while others struggle? It's not just about income, it's about mindset. Here are 5 secrets wealthy people don't usually talk about. Secret number 1, they value time more than money. Rich people understand that time is the most valuable resource. Instead of trading hours for dollars, they look for ways to make their money work for them through investments, businesses, or systems. Secret number 2, they focus on multiplying, not just saving. While most people obsess over cutting expenses, wealthy people think about scaling income. They ask, how can I make $1 become $10? Not how can I save $1? Secret number 3, they manage emotions, not just finances. Money decisions are emotional. Fear, greed, and impatience often lead to mistakes. The wealthy practice discipline. They delay gratification and stick to long-term strategies even when emotions run high. Secret number 4, they invest in knowledge and networks. Rich people know that the best investment is in themselves, books, mentors, courses, and relationships. They surround themselves with people who inspire growth, not hold them back. Secret number 5, they redefine what money means for the rich. Money isn't just paper, it's freedom, security, and the power to make an impact. By shifting how you see money, you also shift how you use it. White right pointing backhand index. So ask yourself today, what's my money mindset? If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who wants to build wealth in 2025. This is Yemi Oseni, reminding you, think smart, grow smart.